Baba to Abano. Opia, Openina, teacher, and a mini see a kind. On my United said, Nebrasso. Ghana had witnessed unprecedented infrastructural development. So now, Kaya expression of using and see unprecedented. Just a Ghana back on once. You infrastructural development. Send it with the end. Next, maybe I will call so soon. A quano soon. I'm not some me was me, with the Manuko to me. Say, baby, I may number a western region. Yes, I don't know who know. A quano, I say, or say, and I'm say, made that. On the Camutin and the men who can air cost. Now, and then I'm hoping, sir, on mining you know who said Dana made Dana na no crana na make. To me, my example back home. I example a Hiamepa, a Lubo, Enchi Road. A Lubo, Asemkro. It shall say November 2011. Our project completion date was meant to be May year 2018. And I'm sick at 70, two separate occasions, March 2015 and May 2016, at the extension about. Right now, you can say work has come to a standstill because of finance, no funding. So now, Elubo asem kro ne inchi. And we are another 20 kilometers, 18 to 38 kilometers. And also October 2015, yes, I say, I can say August year bay. I can say Sakwano near we. And no, there it's only 13% complete. And also so no contractor for also Eja Jumaya also. And Nam Sikasam. So our projects now are being financed from the Consolidated Fund. Consolidated Fund is so this is where so we've taken the decision that the whole stretch, the 71-kilometer stretch, Sino-Hydro for financing, which is being negotiated right now, the Lubo Inchi Road is a major part of the financing once and for all. Sino-Hydro arrangement no never cover PTC roundabout or Takrady interchange. A brother in Tremuso, Cabinet has taken the decision that this year, Sekondi Takrady town roads are all going to be done. Going to begin this year. We make Sekondi town roads, and I make entire city, and various constituencies. It won't mean Ekahobi. Because they because of my behind me, be me free, baby, yes, and it's here. Escado crack. Escado Kahopa. Escado Kawaka Maka Minimum Yasam. Escado Kaho. Sanso Ena Nana Sanko Cape 3 Points Road is 27 kilometers. Deputy Minister for Roads, Mamiatia CSA, engineering studies for the road in the Ghana Highway Authority, one area. They finished the engineering studies. Now, bill of quantities now are being drawn out so we can start the procurement process for completing that road. So I am sure, say, I did all the too many me, enche, who said, buy me, when you're home for so, and you see,